Get excited about the 2019 Chevrolet Equinox. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and an efficient 4-cylinder engine. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a leather steering wheel, a built-in garage door transmitter, a power liftgate, blind spot sensor, remote keyless entry, and air conditioning. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Come on in and take a test drive.